Okay, yours.
A rock hit there. Look, you can tell a rock fell down a long ago.
Okay, here's the
Right there.
I can use back my
Yeah.
hand. Where's your flashlight? I don't want it.
It's like sideways mounted. You look at it like this. Well, it's because the ground pushes.
Wait, I learned this one in
Right.
science.
So we know the cave is deep enough to.
You know that water is H2O?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I had that in science fair. Well, I didn't one yet. I'm still in science fair of water.
Oh.
I thought it was in water this time. Last time
Oh,
we
go
were
in,
talking
there's water
about
in there.
the earth, how it
That's the
moves
water,
like
rock.
water to earth, like, to ground.
What side?
It goes like this.
Really?
Yeah, it goes like this.
You see the shiny stuff up there?
The ground, slanted ground. It goes like this.
Is that gold? Gold veins?
So tell me what happens again.
I don't know, that's really sparkly. Huh?
I learned
Hey, you
in
carry
science one day that
You can have it back.
I don't know what
Drake,
reflection
that
I don't know either.
pieces of land start
It's pretty
go
shiny, though.
landscape go like this because like an earthquake or
Nice,
something,
wood.
because we're so far of it, if it's slightly little earthquake, then you cannot feel it. But if it goes really pressured and goes like this, you might feel it, and you're like, whoa, 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 whoa. And that's how, well, oh, hey, look, it's like a spaceship or something. Up there, you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Huh, cool. Bye-bye. And that's how it goes. Wait, Mommy, did you record that?
Yes, I did.
Ha! I'm gonna be the smartest. And I should call